Everything you were taught about cleaning your home, the products to use, the combinations that work, the shortcuts that save time. Some of it is wrong. Not slightly wrong, dangerously wrong. And the frightening part is that the myths sound completely reasonable. They have been passed down through families, shared across the internet, printed on well-meaning blogs. Today, we separate what is true from what is quietly putting your family at risk. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Because the most dangerous cleaning mistakes are the ones that look like common sense until someone explains the chemistry behind them. The confidence that creates risk. There is a particular kind of danger that only arrives disguised as knowledge. Not ignorance, knowledge. The confident belief that you know how to do something, learned from a trusted source, practiced repeatedly, never questioned because it has always appeared to work. This is exactly the danger that cleaning myths create. They are not believed by careless people. They are believed by attentive, responsible people who learned them from parents, from cleaning guides, from viral content, and who have been repeating them ever since, without the context that would reveal why they are wrong. Myth 1. More detergent means cleaner clothes. This myth feels logical. More cleaning product, more cleaning power. Double the detergent, double the clean. The reality is the precise opposite. Washing machines are calibrated to rinse a specific detergent volume completely from fabrics during the rinse cycle. Excess detergent beyond that calibrated amount does not rinse out. It remains trapped in fabric fibers, creating a residue layer that attracts dirt, causes skin irritation in sensitive individuals, produces that stiff, heavy feeling in towels and clothing after washing, and over time contributes to the gray, dull appearance that most people attribute to fabric age rather than detergent buildup. Myth 2. Bleach cleans. Everything better. Bleach is perhaps the most overused and most misapplied cleaning product in the average home, because the belief in its universal power is so deeply embedded that questioning it feels counterintuitive. The safety truth is that bleach is a disinfectant and a whitening agent, not a cleaner. It kills bacteria and removes color from stains on appropriate surfaces. It does not remove dirt, grease, or organic matter. It only works effectively on pre-cleaned surfaces because organic matter neutralizes bleach before it can disinfect. Myth 3. If it smells clean, it is clean. This is perhaps the most psychologically powerful cleaning myth because it exploits a genuine sensory shortcut, the association between fresh fragrance and hygiene that has been reinforced by decades of cleaning product marketing. The safety truth is that fragrance and cleanliness have no chemical relationship whatsoever. A surface can carry significant bacterial contamination while smelling of lavender or lemon. A fabric can harbor dust mites and allergens while smelling freshly laundered. An air freshener can make a room smell clean while leaving every surface and every cubic meter of air entirely unchanged at a microbial level. Myth 4. You can mix cleaning products for better results. The final myth is the most immediately dangerous and the one most urgently worth correcting. The belief that combining cleaning products produces enhanced effectiveness has led to some of the most avoidable chemical exposure incidents in domestic environments. Bleach and ammonia, found in many glass cleaners, produce chloramine vapors. Bleach and vinegar produce chlorine gas. The clear landing. The myths we covered today were not created with harmful intent. They spread because they sounded right, felt logical, and came from sources people trusted. But chemistry does not respond to good intentions. It responds to the properties of the compounds involved, and knowing those properties is what separates cleaning that protects your home from cleaning that inadvertently harms it. Less detergent, targeted bleach use, fragrance as aesthetic rather than evidence of cleanliness, products used independently, never combined. 4 truths. Every home needs them, and now yours has them. If this changed something you believed confidently before today, hit the like button right now. This kind of safety information needs to reach as many homes as possible. Subscribe and turn on the bell so truth-first content like this always finds you. Share it with someone whose cleaning habits could be quietly putting them at risk. See you in the next one.